Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here a split level 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in the quaint community of Bonito Crescent, Mandeville, Manchester. This house is less than 2 minutes from Mandeville Shopping Center and other local amenities. It is surrounded by lush greenery and situated on quarter acre or approximately 10,863 square feet of land with a generous amount of yard space for you and your family to enjoy. This home is being sold unfurnished and is also a potential income earner. Consisting of a self-contained flat, what more can you ask for? Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully walled, family oriented, private setting, quiet area, seniors oriented, and road paved. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $26 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.